Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to access Google Meet. Google Meet is one of the Google apps. So the first thing you're going to do is you can just click on Google Classroom. Make sure you are logged into your child's ClassLink. Once you're in your Google Classroom, go up to the right-hand side where it says Google Apps, and you're going to click on those circles. And then you're going to go down to Meet. And you're going to click on Join or Start Meeting. And any meeting, once you click on this, it'll bring you to a new web page. And any meeting that you're invited to should pop up here. What you can also do is you can go back to your Google Classroom and click on the Google Apps link and click on Gmail. And an invitation should be in your Gmail to join. Okay.